Welcome to another video. I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional web designer and developer. In this video, I will show you how you can change your URL of WordPress website. So this is quick and simple video. This can be helpful for you if you want to change your blog or page URL on WordPress. So first of all, you can go to the post and all post and select the post, which post you want to change the URL. Click on the edit. Now on the right, you can see the URL option. It can be hidden from here. Just click here, the settings, and you can see the URL option. Just click on the URL and change the URL and click update. So the URL has been changed. You can see the link has been changed. Now if you want to change the structure of this permalink, just the website address and your post name here, you need to go to the settings, click on the permalinks. From here you can change the structure of your URL. The first one is the plain, where there is just your website name and the ID of the post, and second one is your website name, then the date and the post. The standard is this one, the post name, your website name, then the post title. So this is the standard format. Google likes this format most, so just click here and save it. Now go back to the blog again, click all post and click view. You can see the link structure has been changed, your website name, then /hello. Now if you want to change the link of your pages, the same way you can change it. Go to the pages, all pages, click the page, which page URL you want to change. The same way as the blog post, click here, the settings, and click on the URL and change it. I have changed it to sample and click anywhere on the page and upload this setting. Now click on the view page. You can see the URL has been changed. So this is how you can simply change your URLs of your WordPress website. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos on WordPress and web related tools.